Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make these cat figures, and it's so easy. You can make it maybe in 10 or 15 minutes and use it. You can attach them on blankets or baby garments or maybe your bags. You can use them anywhere you want. For this one, I use a category 4 worsted weight cotton yarn, and for this one, I use sport weight cotton yarn. You can make them as a coaster. You can just sew some eyes here. You don't have to use this kind of eyes. You can use buttons too. And I want to show you the measurements too. It's 6.5, almost 7 centimeter to 0.5 inch for this one. And this one is 8 centimeters, 3 inch long. I use 3.5 millimeter hook for this one and 4 millimeter hook for this one. And I use yarn art jeans yarn for this. And for this one I used again yarn art jeans plus. It's thicker. And you will need a pink and black yarn too. It's all same yarn for me. And a yarn needle, some scissors. That's all. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. If you are a totally beginner, you can start like that. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4 into this first chain, insert and make your double crochets here. We will totally make 12 double crochets with these 3 chains. Okay, put your 12 double crochets here, but this way you could have a big opening here, a huge space. So I don't like this. I like to start with a magic ring, and it's so easy. Just hold your yarn with your finger, rub the yarn, then rub it one more time, make a cross here and hold the yarn with your little finger, sorry. Insert your hook under this first yarn, grab the other one, pull it. Make a twist here, grab the same yarn and pull through. So that's a magic ring. Chain 3, and it's my first double crochet. Into this magic ring I will make 11 more, totally 12. I think I said this before. And 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let me count one more time. Yeah. Hold this yarn and close the magic ring nicely. Hold it nicely. Okay. It's, as you see, it's fully closed right now. insert from this third chain. I try to insert both loops of the chain. It will be a little hard because I'm a tired hand crochet, but it will look better. For the row 2, start with chaining 3. That's my first double crochet again, and insert into the same place and make one more double crochet. Into this next place, by the way, I could hide this tail too. Into the next place, insert, make a double and one more double crochet. For this row, we will put 2 double crochets into every stitch. In the end, we will have 24 double crochets. For the next row, first I will join with a slip stitch, chain 3, into this same place make one more double crochet, and into the next make only one double crochet. Into the next 2, next 1, 2, 1. Keep going like that. In the end you will have 36 double crochets. See you at the end. I will complete with only one double crochet into the last stitch and join. Chain 1, make a single crochet here, make one more single crochet into the last next stitch, make a half double crochet first, then make 2 double crochets, 1, 2, then yarn over twice and put 1 treble here, 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, we will make a picot here. Insert your hook into this last stitch, let him focus here and here. Grab the yarn, pull through. Yarn over twice, insert into the next stitch, make a triple, make 2 double crochets, it's all into same stitch, and a half double crochet. We made the first ear and we used 2 stitches for this. Then next stitch, make a single crochet, single crochet. Keep putting single crochet into your stitch, turn around like that. Just leave this last, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches. Okay, just leave them. See you there. I leave last 6 here, don't count this one, that's slip stitch. And into the next stitch, make a half double crochet, make 2 double crochets, yarn over twice and make a triple. chain 2, make a picot, into this next space, make a triple, 2 doubles, and a half double crochet. Into the next, make a single crochet, make a single crochet. We have 2 stitches left here. Put 2 single crochets into each of them. 1, 2. And now we will cut this loop and close here nicely. Insert here, that's second stitch, not first, second stitch. And insert into the last stitch you made here. And hide the tail. Now we will make the nose and mustache. I made this one. For the nose, I will use a pink yarn. By the way, I will attach this on a overall. So if you want to use this as a mug holder, something like that, if you want to make here clean, I have another video about a beer coaster. You can watch this video and see how I hide this yarn while I'm working, and how can you make here clean too. Now I don't mind how it looks, so I will start from here. You see, that's the middle. And that's the final touch. Okay. Cut this yarn. Now we will make the one stitch. I could insert from here. Make the first one like that. Insert from here. And make this one a little longer than the other one. And for the other side, insert from here. You see, I leave 1, 2, 3 here. 1, 2, 3. No. Yeah. No, I count them, but again I made a mistake. 1, 2, 3. Okay, from here. And I will use these eyes. It's a little hard to find the right place for them. Is it good? No. I think that's good. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochets between them. And I will hide them. Sorry, close these ones. And I don't have a baby. I made this overall, but I will not use it. So I could make it like that. But if I had a baby, I think I could use buttons here and sew them so nice, and they will be safe too. And that's all. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me there, and it's also my website and Pinterest address too. You can find some written patterns on my website. Please don't forget to check out. And that's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.